I think I know why we call Mother Nature Mother Nature. She gives us life, provides for her young. She is the source that sustains us, all here in her great big home. In my house, I am the provider. My children look to me to keep them fed, to keep them clean, to keep them safe. I make the meals, wash the dishes, keep their clothes clean and fresh, mop the floors, wipe the sinks, clean the tub, because Mother knows a clean life is a better life, a healthier life. I want more for them than just a fresh bed to jump into or sparkling glass to drink from. I want the world outside our front door to be just as clean. The air, the water, the earth itself. That's why I choose to do my part. I removed the harsh chemicals from my home, the bleach, the ammonia, the stuff that would make a child sick, any of us sick, that makes our lakes and streams dirty, even as we try to make our own homes clean. That's why we choose EcoSense products. Highly concentrated so they last longer, cost less, and take less fuel to transport. We recycle, try not to waste anything, and conserve energy. We get on our bikes instead of getting in the car. We even keep the house a little warmer in summer and cooler in winter. We do our part because that's what mothers do. We provide for our young. We live clean in the home we live in and the one we live on.